Mule Palm is a hybrid palm tree that is a result of a cross between the Pendo palm and the queen palm. This hybrid plant was first discovered by a French horticulturist in the late 19th century. Mule palm is a highly prized plant by landscapers and gardeners for its unique appearance and ability to grow in a wide range of climates. Mule palms are slow-growing trees that can reach a height of up to 25 feet with a spread of 15 to 20 feet. They have a single trunk with thick, dense crown of fronds that are about 8 to 10 feet in length. The fronds are a bluish-green color and have a feathery appearance. Mule palms produce large clusters of small yellow flowers that bloom in the spring, followed by small, round, orange-yellow fruit that ripen in the fall. Mule palms are tolerant of a wide range of growing conditions and can be grown in full sun or partial shade. They prefer well-drained soils and can tolerate both drought and moderate levels of moisture. Mule palms are cold hardy and can tolerate temperatures as low as 15 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for growing in a variety of climates. Companion plants that grow well with the mule palm include other palm species, such as the windmill palm and Canary Island date palm. Mule palms can also be planted with tropical flowering plants such as hibiscus, bougainvillea, and plumerias. Mule palm has a variety of uses in landscaping, including as a specimen plant, accent plant, or as a part of a mixed planting. Its unique appearance and ability to grow in a range of climates make it a popular choice for tropical and subtropical gardens. The fruit of the mule palm is edible and can be used to make jams and jellies, although it is not widely consumed. Additionally, the fronds of mule palms can be used in floral arrangements and is the source of thatching material.